Welcome folks, welcome to Guarantee RV. Today we're going to show you this unique pre-owned 2018. It's the 34.5 Torque. Very unique toy hauler, very popular also. You can tell from the outside right away, you know, the big huge awning right there. It's a power awning, of course. LED lights throughout. Auto leveling right here, push button and you're good to go. Big bottles propane right there. Okay, let's walk inside and show you some more. As you can see, this is a very welcoming coach for a toy hauler. Really, they went out of their way. I love this island right there with a big screen TV. Double sink right there. Residential fridge really comes in handy. Usually they're smaller than that, and look at this freezer right there, and it's a pass-through, so you're good to go. Nice, really stainless steel touches right there with a 3-burner oven and stove, and you got it right here. And right there, more storage in a way. This is your kind of your pantry. More storage as you go through. If we go up the stairs here, I love this touch right here, folks. Up the stairs here, go to the bedroom. Again, a little closet right there that comes in handy also. You know, they tried their best right here. Big, huge closet. Okay, I mean, we're talking a closet right there for what have you. Nice walk around bed. I like this, you know, design. They try to make every inch, you know, count right here. Go in here, if we can go in here to the bathroom. It's again for privacy. You got 2 entrances. This has got a tub, you know, so you know if you have kids or what have you, that would work. Really nice touches right there. You know, so, some tubs are, you know, just plain. These guys put some shelves for you in a way. LED light makes it very, very nice. We can go back into the garage area in the back, show you more features. It's endless really. Come in here, and there's your garage with another door that comes in very handy, and a surprise back here we get another bathroom. Okay, really nice with the cabinets inside, really nice sink right there, and you can't miss but to, you know, see that we have wash and dryer hookups. Of course, we can mount a TV if you would like up here, and of course you have more storage on top. So let's walk outside and show you a little bit more. Right away you can see those outside speakers. Those are waterproof, so you can play music inside, outside, what have you. It depends on what activities you're having. Auto leveling, and auto leveling, like we showed you the controls up there. Big tires and wheels, those are very nice. It will take the cargo in there for you. And as you go around, this is your gate right here, ramp. I can handle it myself. You know, it's not that heavy. The mechanism here helps out with gravity. Another awning in the back with an LED light. It comes in very handy again. So they didn't miss anything here. Right away you can see the fueling station is right there. Venting up here. Okay, fueling station, of course. Again, the auto leveling, the big slide that we were in earlier. As we walk around, this is the slide in the bedroom where that big closet was. Outside shower, you get another bottle of propane right here for you, and it is gen equipped, so you can dry camp anywhere with this coach. Again, thank you for watching this short video. My name is Dib. Please ask for me if you come in. It's 541-515-1237. Thank you.